Next up is our weekly crypto and digital asset update with Catherine Murray, host of The Buck Stops Here. Take it away, Catherine.
Thanks, Nima. Hello, everyone, and welcome to your weekly crypto and digital asset update. I am Catherine Murray. Well, we continue to see the equity market sell off and risk off sentiment play into the crypto market as well, with Bitcoin down by about 2% week over week. It looks as though the total market cap for cryptocurrencies stands at about $940 billion, so down from a high of around $3 trillion. We know that already, because we have been watching it play out for months and months. Recall one of the reasons why we've got selling pressure in the broader markets is because of Fed Chair Jerome Powell this week raising rates by 75 basis points as expected, but really leaning towards a hawkish tone. In other words, he's going to continue to raise rates, perhaps for even longer, in order to try to combat inflation. And that is definitely putting a risk-off tone to the markets. Investors are selling now, asking questions later. Having said that, there's still a lot of positive developments within the crypto and blockchain space. The crypto exchange, FTX, is reportedly looking to raise $1 billion. It puts the company's valuation at $32 billion, in line with previous raises. They appear to be on a bit of a buying spree during this crypto winter, really wanting to continue to collect assets within the space. In fact, FTX and Binance made leading bids for the bankrupt crypto lender Voyager, which we of course have reported on, and reportedly around $50 million in terms of the offer that they are willing to pay for Voyager's assets, which was founded back in 2019. It is a crypto lending firm, or was a crypto lending firm, that took in customers' deposits, paid interest on them, and lent them out, those deposits, to other third parties. They actually became public and traded around a $4 billion market cap, but as I say, the offer price now is about $50 million. I would also just point out that FTX was founded by a former Wall Street trader, Sam Bankman-Fried, and is now, of course, a billionaire. Away from that, we're also keeping our eyes on the popular stock trading app, Robinhood. They're listing Circle's stablecoin on its platform. It's called USDC, and it is pegged to the US dollar. This is a move from the company's perspective. They want to continue to offer crypto assets to their users on their app. And interestingly, right now, they currently offer about 17 different cryptocurrencies on the app. Away from that, we continue to keep our eyes on the big banks that move into the space. We know that there's been huge hiring sprees and the development of new departments within various banks, really focused on crypto and blockchain. Well, in May, the Japanese financial giant Nomura announced its institutional digital asset subsidiary. Now they're going to be setting up a VC-focused area within the crypto space in Switzerland, which is kind of telling you that they want to broaden out and make it a little bit more global. Away from that, interestingly here, the NASDAQ is planning to launch an institutional crypto business, starting with custody services for Bitcoin as well as Ether. And furthering that plan out, it looks as though they will also want to offer some type of execution and or liquidity to their clients. We're also, of course, keeping our eyes on other developments. Amazon, for one, is co-developing a digital euro prototype for the ECB, the European Central Bank. Interesting. Amazon was, in fact, selected with other partners by the ECB to collaborate on creating this digital euro prototype. Amazon's responsible for designing the e-commerce payment side of the program. Interestingly here as well, the prototype exercise begins sometime in September, ends in December, and the ECB actually launched this investigation into a digital currency back in July of 2021 with no promise to even actually go forward with it. But they're going through the exercise in this investigation, and Amazon obviously was asked to be one of the partners within it. Apparently they had over 50 people apply, or 50 types of corporations. Also just point out here, Colorado citizens, they are now allowed to pay various state taxes with crypto through PayPal. The governor actually announced those plans back in February. Apparently that is coming to fruition. And in sports, the PGA is partnering with Tom Brady's NFT project, Autograph, to launch its own NFT platform. The marketplace is expected to launch in 2023 and will pay all the revenue earned to its athletes. So a lot going on in the space, as you can see, whether it's from central bankers and companies, partnering with companies like an Amazon, to the sports world. A lot of development for sure. Nima, I'll leave it there. Back to you.
All right, thanks for that, Catherine. Again, that was Catherine Murray, host of The Buck Stops Here, airing every Sunday at 9 a.m. Eastern only on the News Forum Network.